So every year I ask my mum what she wants to do for her birthday, and she just wants to go to Bristol Airport and watch the planes. So we're going to have a day in Bristol, so come along with us. Cheers, look, the Queen. Smile. Mum, it's a video. We've come to our favourite garden centre. You like it yet, didn't you?
Yes.
What are you after?
Too much to choose from.
We can have some breakfast and a oh, look at that. Lush. It's a video, Mum. It's clever marketing, really, because you have to walk through the whole garden centre to get to the food. Probably going to buy loads. I think I'll buy some Charlottes. Main crop. But I've just taken out my Mary Pipers and I didn't like them as much as the Charlottes. I thought they were a bit earthy.
Baked tart.
I love an old-fashioned teapot. Tea for the lady? You put the milk in first?
Yes.
I'm not sure how I feel about that. She spotted her first plane. What do you... Ah, she loves it. So what side of the runway are they taking off today, Mum? She's checked on it.
Felton Common.
So they're coming over Felton Common today. Usually we don't watch them land here, but
They're taking off in the opposite direction because of the wind.
yeah. So she's very excited. We've come to the common area just outside of Bristol Airport and you can watch the planes take off. Woohoo! What do you think, Mum? Are you excited? She can't wait to show my dad. She's going to send him some videos. That's what he said.
You wouldn't have seen them down Winter's Lane because the runway's too far out.
Oh, I can hear something. Do you hear that?
Something
What do you
in the
reckon is one coming down?
distance.
Huh?
Something's in the distance.
Got a cake, well, a scone, some jam and cream and a picnic blanket so we can sit and watch the planes.
And on the departure board, see what's taking off. I can hear something coming up the runway.
She's so excited.
There's one going. Here it goes. I got it.
So the airport's right there.
That bad boy coming up.
Cream or jam first? Cream. Hot. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. Cheers. EasyJet, Ryanair,
One of the two.
TUI. Who knows? EasyJet.
Love it, don't you? What do you think, Mum?
Fabulous.